Okay, so we were in the party supply aisle at Hobby Lobby, and we found these metal chalkboards. With your 40% off, you can get this for about $4. Now, this is going to be so easy. I do have a second DIY to follow in this video. And I also found this wooden high, and with your 50% off, you can get it for about $5. And then you're going to take a flower of your choice and just glue it right to the tip of the eye. Now, these chalkboards came in so many nice pastel colors, and you're just going to glue the high right to your metal chalkboard. And there you go. Now you have yourself this nice spring decor that you can hang from your front door or even somewhere in your home. Now, while we were over in the party supply aisle, we also found these wooden crates. This one was $2.99 and measures about 8 by 4.5 inches. And I got these adhesive word stencils. And I just took the word love and I put it on the back of the wooden crate. And using a dabber and a small amount of Antique Villa paint from Wise Owl, I dabbed it on top of my word stencil. Now, these crates had like a weathered look, but they did have other colors, and that was just a cute way to dress up the crate. Now, there was a bigger one for $3.99, and that measured about 9.5 by 6 inches, and I took the word gather and did the same thing. The key with stenciling is you want a very little bit of paint on your dabber. And then once that was done, I took the succulents that I had. They were left over from an arrangement I had purchased, but you can find succulents right at the Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby, or Michael's. And I'm going to hot glue them to the back of the crate. Now, you could put whatever you want inside yours. And you can hang these on the wall, or you can stack them on top of each other. And then I did the same thing to the smaller one. I took another succulent I had and glued it to the back. If you find something light enough, you can even just stand it inside your crate. And I just thought this was a nice, inexpensive DIY home decor project. So thank you so much for watching. Paint products can be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And you can also find some other tutorials over on our YouTube channel. Have a great day.